Okay, so this is checklist in Humanagement. And so this is the non-admin view. And what we have here is a bunch of different templates for a checklist. And so to start one, you would click here. To view the ones that are already in progress, you could click here. So this shows you the green dots are like the sections. Like each of these areas of blues will be assigned to different employees. And then you can see here the ones that are already checked have the checkbox. The ones that aren't yet have it. So that tells you kind of where it is. You can also see like who it's assigned to and some other stuff if it's in progress completed. So if I wanted to edit a checklist that was already going, I would click here, like to continue filling it out. This is like a view only, but generally you're just going to use this fill edit one. You can see all the data here as well. So let's go to another one. There's also a search up here, so I can type in like IPP. It's going to return to me all of the ones with IPPs in them, right? Or I could say investor. And these are all the ones with investor in the name. So opening it, I can then see one that's in progress. I could then click fill checklist. But just so I don't mess up anything, I'm going to press start new. So now I would name this after the investor, right? So this is a money withdrawal form. If it was a property one, you name it after the property. So look at what the title is and what it's going to be in reference to. So I'm going to call this guy Bobby Chris. And then I can start filling out the information. So what I would do is first fill out all the info that's asking for. This is an amount, date, and then I would click all these and mark it off. So it's recording who clicked it off and when. Is also updating that other view. So when I get to this next area, it's going to look at who's in the philanthro investor consultant position. So I click here. So now it loads. Okay, so it's assigning to like the person in this position is Jean, but also it's going to show all the other people in that same division in case this person isn't here or whatever. It's always going to look for it in real time. So if I wanted this one to go to, for instance, Ramon, I could do that, or Joan. Now it's going to ask me if I want to close. So usually once you finish your area and you've assigned it, you would leave it. So you could press yes, or if you want to stay on it, you can press no. Like if you want to fill out this next part yourself. So then you could click through here. There's an upload. So this one, so I'm going to upload this file. So now that's uploaded. Good. If I need to clear it, I can press that. Lots of different field types. So you're just marking them. And this one is assigned to the CEO. So see, it's just showing the CEO as he's the only one in that area. And then you would assign to him and continue on. You could also do things like signatures, lots of different field types. That's the basics. So when you're trying to figure out which ones are, if you have any assigned to you, you can see this little dot over here. It says 3. So if I click over here, I can click assign checklist. So I don't need to look through all the checklists if I have some that are assigned to me. I can just go there, and then I would see this assigned view. And so in here, regardless of which part it's from, you can just see all the different checklists that are assigned to you. Right? These aren't all from like the same template, but obviously these are all test ones. And then you can click here, then view it. It's pretty simple. So once it's started, if I need to change any of the information up here, like I want to say, oh, I named it the wrong way, I can press this edit button, which will then enable the editable fields. Call this, 214 North, and save it. And then that would close it, but it also left that one that it was on. So wait a second for this to load. And now it shows that information, that updated name. So yeah, it's pretty simple. If you're in one, you can also click on this print, and then that will let you either, save PDF or choose a printer, and you can print out this whole thing, all the different checkboxes showing what's checked and what's not, etc. And that's the basics of it. When you finish one, all the way at the bottom, you click that last one, it will give you a congratulations. So that can also be fun. But yeah, that's the basics. Also, when employees are assigned it and it goes to the next person, they'll get an email as well. So check your emails for any checklists that get assigned to you.